You made me feel so torn. You put me through the thorns, but over time I've learned to hide into the flower, into the rose. I don't hurt you no more. I just go where I am told. Into the roses, into the roses. I'm nowhere to be found to get pinched now. Into the roses right now. So if you find yourself in a situation where you ask around and there's something pinching, I know I can't just stay right